The 2021 Kia Rio combines smart design with everyday practicality, making it a standout choice for city driving. Featuring a black grille with chrome surround for a sleek appearance and bi-function projection headlights that ensure bright, clear visibility, the Rio is ready for any urban adventure. Step inside to find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity, plus an 8-inch touchscreen for effortless control at your fingertips. Call or visit Hendy Kia Bournemouth today to schedule your test drive of the 2021 Kia Rio. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.